Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to buy Amazon gift cards online. So first of all, launch any web browser or search engine on your mobile devices. I'm going to launch Google search engine. From here, simply search for Amazon gift cards. With that, you can come to various websites over here. Make sure that you go to the official website of Amazon. Let's tap on the official website on top. Now, once you come to this page, you can scroll down below and find various gift cards over here. You can tap on the option of Shop All as well. From here, choose any gift card that you wish to. So I'm going to select on this gift card, that is Amazon e-gift card. Now over here at the bottom, tap on See All Details option. From here, you can also choose the category according to your preferences. Now you can select any amount that you wish for your gift card to contain. You can also enter the amount manually. Now if you wish to, you can also write a message if you are giving this gift card to someone else. Enter your name in this field, and then you can see the amount that this specific gift card would contain. Then tap on the option of Buy Now. Now add a payment method according to your preferences. Enter your card details accordingly, and once you have entered, simply tap on the option of Continue. Then you can simply be able to place an order for Amazon gift card. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.